Okay, my dear civil engineering energy friends, today we are discussing about on workability test on slump for constraints of the concrete. So you have to find out the quality of the concrete. There are the different stages of the concrete. First one is the plastic stage, that is the you can find out the workability of the concrete. So workability is used for the you can decide the quality of the concrete. Then it will become the hardened state. You can find out the mechanical strength of the concrete. So now how to conduct the workability test on fresh concrete. First of all, you can choose the quantity quality of the materials, quantity of the materials like a cement. So now I take the cement OPC 53 grade cement. So weight 2.5 kgs. This is the ordinary Portland cement 53. Next one, we take the fine aggregate. So it is from the natural river sand or village river sand 3.75 kgs. This is the fine aggregate. And next coming to the coarse aggregate. This is the weight of the coarse aggregate is 7.5 kgs. And I followed the well graded. Well graded means you can you take that 20 mm metal and 10 mm metal, because of you can minimize the voids content. It will become the good density. That's why I can choose the well graded aggregate. So also the natural river sand is satisfy the some of the physical properties and before using of the mix. Same time I take that cement content OPC 53 grade cement. Next one, I can maintain the as per IS 456 2000 quality of water. Regarding to the water cement ratio, here already you know awareness on water cement ratio. So water cement ratio is equal weight of the cement by weight of water by weight of the water by weight of the cement. So now you want to the weight of the water is equal to water cement ratio into weight of the cement. So now I calculated, I can get the 1.25 liters of the quantity of water added for the in mixed proportion for M20 grade concrete. So first of all, you can before testing of the concrete arrangement of the materials like a cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water. Next one, after that you can take the slump cone. Now you can find out the workability test using slump cone test. Here there are the different methods for the measuring of the workability. First one mostly prefer to the workability test by slump cone test. Again in laboratory test compact fat tester used. After that VB consistometer. Some of the special concretes are used for the different workability tests. Okay, self-compacting concrete. It's having to the different types of workability tests are there. So now I am discussing about for conventional concrete how to conduct the workability test by using slump cone test. So now here these are the equipments and materials for arrangement for conducting on the slump cone test for find outing or measuring the workability for fresh concrete. So first of all I am discussing about descriptive of the equipments. This is the tamping rod. It having to the graduates and this length is the 2 feet, I mean 60 centimeters. Next one, this is the frustum of the cone. The frustum of the cone measurements are top diameter is 10 centimeters and bottom diameter is 20 centimeters. So the base plate is fixed that this kind of arrangement of bolting arrangement. This is the base plate. So these are the equipment necessary needed for the conducting of the equipment. So after that now I will make the preparation of the concrete mix. Then the concrete mixer poured into the slump cone. Then we will check the measure the workability. Next we are going to the mixing of the concrete. Now adding all the ingredients of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate at different weightages for the M20 mixed proportions. So properly mixing. Now, added for the water regarding water cement ratio and thoroughly mixing. For you get the proper mixing is there. Up to get the proper mixing and uniform coloring maintained. So you can mix the up to get the uniform coloring maintained and until you get the quantity of or follow the water cement ratio. Before using the slump test, internally we have to apply the hydraulic oil smooth functioning because the concrete is non-stick and base is used for that oil is smoothly applied and the internal surface of the mold. Okay. But after that concrete slump test is completed, then we have to casting of the cubes before you can oil is applied internal of the cube mold. The cube size is 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeters. Next we are ready for the internally we apply to the oil. Completely mixing of the concrete. Now I want to the workability of this fresh concrete. So now this concrete is poured in the slump test. So internal surface is applied to the oil. That already you know the diameter of the top layer is the 10 centimeters, bottom layer is the 20 centimeters. The height of the slump is 30 centimeters. Now this concrete is applied within 4 layers, or the height of the each layer is 7.5 centimeters. So mostly every layer is 25 strokes are applied over the entire cross section. So this use the tamping rod 60 centimeters and sharpened and use each layer is applied over the entire cross section. Each layer is 25 strokes are applied entire uniform area. Okay. Cut